United cherry bombs we used to make for Dayton.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, behind.
This has original.
Flash powder.
This is just so much shit.
So much different stuff, yeah. Old pack crackers.
Yeah. This is when we went to plastic bags for silver salutes and M-80s. Cherry bombs. We put them all in plastic bags. This is that's it.
Okay, for sure.
I don't know, that number says it's verified.
My answer.
Or not. I don't know how it was. Get out! Bitch, get out.
That's really cool.
Yeah, no, this is sweet as fuck.
That ain't the M-80 though, that's
Yeah, no, we
there
played.
you go, too.
Oh, there's the M-80 right there. You can tell. Yeah. That is so neat.
Those are
The original press
the
plates.
original plates back in the day when they printed them. They put the ink on there and
Yeah.
transfer it over to a foldable box.
Here's the one riding the.
Rhino rocket. Yeah.
That used to be the logo.
For the
for here.
I gotcha. Yeah, that's really cool. Thanks for sharing that with me, John. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no, that's history right here.
Definitely. United salutes. 5-second fuse. Yes, yes. That's really cool.
Clean and framed, motherfucker.
Warrior brand.
Well, framed. Which you should make you a fucking museum room out here. You're
Definitely, yeah. People would come.
Dude, what?